Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to take you along with me as I work on a few tasks around the house. I'd like to start the morning off in the garden and tackle some of my fall gardening chores, which I have yet to start. And then this afternoon I'd like to finish up my fall decor in my living room. It should be an enjoyable day. I am not in a big hurry to get anything done since I have nowhere to go today, so I'm just going to sort of mosey from chore to chore and enjoy the process. I don't have a whole lot of outdoor chores to do in our new yard. However, I do have a couple of garden beds that I need to deal with, and then I would like to trim up a lot of our foundation plantings. But for today, I'm going to concentrate on the two garden beds that I have in the backyard. I'm going to be taking everything out of both of these and kind of prepping it a little bit for next year, just kind of make sure it's weed free and ready to go for next season. Still unseasonably warm here in Minnesota, so I was breaking a sweat a little bit out here, even with this minimal amount of work, sitting out in the sun, and it was mid 70s, so it was quite toasty working out there. I've been waiting actually to do this chore, waiting and hoping that the weather would turn a little cooler, because I love to work out in the backyard when it's colder, but I just need to get this done because I think it's going to go from summer to winter real quick around here. I don't think we're going to get much of a fall at this point, so I would love to get this done today so I can move on to other chores in the backyard. chores done for the day, I moved inside to do a little decorating. I recently found these amazing Santa cups at the thrift store, and I was convinced by your comments that I should not pack them away, I should put them out right away. So I decided to put them up on my corner hutch, and I think they look so cute amongst my tureens. I think I am in love. Little area off to the side of my fireplace in the living room that I needed to add a little something to, and I really didn't know what to use, so I just kind of gathered up whatever I had left over that was already out, starting with this big pumpkin in the middle. It was my mother-in-law's. I've had it for a few years and I absolutely love it, so I knew I wanted to use that. And I also picked up these wheat bundles off of Amazon earlier in the season, and I knew I wanted to use those. So we're using the combination of the pumpkins and the little wheat bundles with little pumpkins I had out already, and then I added this oil painting above it, and I think it turned out pretty good for only spending about 5 minutes on it, but it fills up the space nicely. It looks pretty good, so I'm just going to go with it at this point. And it wouldn't be fall around here without my pumpkin paintings. I love these so much. They always make me smile. I have had them a couple of years now, so I thought I would hang them on this little wall here in my kitchen. A couple of command strips and I'm good to go. I also decided to display some of my thermos collection because I need to get them out instead of just having them packed away. And I'm not sure if you recognize it or not, but the thermoses are sitting on top of my cubbies that used to hang in my kitchen in the other house. When we first moved in, I set the shelves right there, put this bench in front of it, and it has been here ever since. As you can see, I use it for my purse, and it gets filled up all the time, but it's perfect for my thermos collection, so this combo is gonna have to stay here just a little bit longer, even though it looks pretty silly. This fan is absolutely filthy. I noticed it a couple days after we moved in, and it has been in the back of my mind to get this task completed, so I thought today was the perfect time. I'm just using one of those disposable dusting thingies with the little handle. I don't normally buy these sort of things because I like to use reusable items, but for projects like this, it's nice to be able just to throw it away when I'm done. After cleaning up the fan that had such thick dust on it, I figured a quick little vacuuming was in order. And since I had the vacuum out, I hit the high traffic areas in the kitchen as well, just to sort of spruce things up just a little bit more. And with that, my list for the day was complete, so I took the dogs outside before it got dark so they could run around and play. They just love the backyard so much. It's seriously, every time they go out there, they start rustling. I think maybe the neighbors think our dogs are crazy, but it's so much fun to watch them. Friends, that is going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate it so very, very much. Hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.